guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace license plate number from Renault Kangoo. There are two bolts which needs to be removed, which are Torx 13. I should kind of slide it. It's not stuck like a both of them are down, burnt, and it uses W5W bulb. Videoed everything new, but it doesn't look promising because it's already corroded. It's gonna definitely burn pretty soon. That was everything, and then put it back. That was everything. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any question, ask down comment section.